Hey, sixth graders! So, all of these things we've been learning about this week are different measurements of statistics. Now, statistics, you need to know, is the process of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. Now, when we find the mode, when we find the median, when we find the range, these all help us to analyze them. They're all measurements of statistics. But today we are going to talk about mean. So, mean is another measurement of center. So, a measure of center is a value that attempts to describe the central or typical value within a set of data. So common measures of center are the mean, median, and mode. So we've learned about median. Remember the middle number, like you're driving a car. The median is the line in the middle of the road, or the line between the two roads in the expressway, right? Or the mode, what occurs most, mode. So the mean is a little bit mean, guys. The mean is the average of the data. And it does kind of make you do the most work. So, to find the mean, you're going to find the sum of the data values. Remember, you're going to add them all up. Then, divide the sum by the number of data values. So if we're looking at a data set and we have 15, 7, 24, 13, and 21, the first thing we have to do is add up all the data values. 15 plus 7 plus 24 plus 13 plus 21. So I'm going to add those all up. And then I'm going to divide by the number of data values. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that I'm adding up. So I'm dividing by 5. So 15 and 7 is 22. Plus 24 is 46. 59. That one makes 60 plus 20 is 80. So this equals 80 divided by 5 which is 16. Now, can you type that all into a calculator if you need to? Sure, why not? I really want you to know that you have to add them all up and divide by the number of values you just added up. Okay? So let's look at another example. 5, 7, 2, 5, 12, 3, 8, 14. So we're going to add them all up. So you can put into your calculator if you want 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 12 plus 3 plus 8 plus 14. And what are you going to divide them by? Count them up. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm dividing by 8. So this gives me a total of 56 divided by 8 equals 7. So my average here was 16. Can you see how that could make sense with the numbers that you have? And here my average was 7. So hopefully you can see that that would make sense with the numbers that you have there as well. Okay? Let me know how I can help. So we talked about median and mode. We talked a little bit about the mean even when we talked about the median. Remember, when there's an odd number, you have to find the average between the two middle, the mean between the two middle numbers. So let me know. Dun, 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 dun. Mean today. Add them all up. Divide by the number of numbers you added, right? All right. Have a great day.